Hi Eagles! For today's Morning Jolt, we're going to talk about Bommerang, which is a Chrome extension for Gmail. There are three important things about Bommerang that we're going to talk about today. The first is that you can write messages now and schedule them to be delivered at any time, even if you don't have internet connection. The second, you can schedule messages to automatically return to the top of your inbox for a later time so that no message ever falls through the cracks. The last thing is that you can remind yourself to follow up with people who didn't respond in a certain amount of time. The first thing we're going to do today is teach you how to download Bommerang. To install Bommerang, you can go to bommeranggmail.com and click on Install. You then click on the Install Bommerang, add the extension, and once it starts loading your Gmail, you will know that you have successfully installed it because in the upper right-hand corner, you will see this little rainbow Bommerang icon. To get started, I'm going to type an email. And as you can see, I need information by 3 o'clock today. So instead of just sending this email, I'm going to try and Bommerang this. Because I need the reply today by 3, I'm going to set my Bommerang to 2 hours. So in 2 hours, I will get a response reminding me that there has been no reply. The next thing that I can do is actually request a read receipt and track to see if there's been any clicks. By pressing that button at the bottom, there will be a read receipt as soon as Megan sees this email. The last thing you'll see on the screen is the Bommerang respondable. And it uses artificial intelligence to make sure that you have asked a question, if you're being polite. It actually shows you a whole bunch of different things to do. However, if for some reason I wanted to send this later, I could also click Send Later and set when I want this to be sent, ensuring that the mail goes out even if I have no internet connection. There are so many other fun tricks and tips to find out with Bommerang. So if you have any questions, please come see us. See you in the tea room.